Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. First, familiarize yourself with the exam guide to understand the core domains and their percentage weighting. This helps you focus your efforts effectively. Next, leverage the official AWS documentation, including white papers and FAQs, as primary study materials. Finally, establish a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific times each week to review concepts and practice. This structured approach will build a strong foundation for success. To deepen your understanding, complete an official AWS Cloud Practitioner digital training course. These courses provide structured learning paths and practical examples. Additionally, review the AWS well-architected framework pillars, as these principles are fundamental to cloud design and often appear on the exam. Regularly practice with sample questions and mock exams. This helps you become familiar with the question format and pinpoint areas where you need further study, ensuring you're well prepared. Mastering key concepts is crucial. Focus on the AWS global infrastructure, including regions, availability zones, and edge locations. Understand core services like EC2, S3, and VPC, knowing their primary use cases. Dive into AWS billing and pricing models, recognizing the differences between various support plans. Finally, review security best practices and compliance aspects, as these are vital for operating securely in the cloud. A solid grasp of these areas will significantly boost your confidence. On exam day, ensure you get adequate rest and arrive early to your testing center or prepare your remote setup. Read each question carefully, paying attention to keywords and context before selecting your answer. Don't rush, you have plenty of time. After passing, consider pursuing an associate-level certification to further your cloud career. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home or office setup. Good luck on your journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.